Hey traders, Mike from MS100 back here with you. I do want to let you guys know that tonight around 10:15 Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be doing a live technical analysis show on the site. You can come in, you can view my screen and see the charts that I'm looking at and do some research with me. So, reminder that's 10:15 Eastern Standard Time tonight, Sunday night, July 5th. Today I do want to take a look at the S&P and see what could potentially happen tomorrow and in the coming week. So let's take a look at that. All right, right now I did pull up the S&P chart. This black line is this black trend line that I have right here. Remember, it goes all the way back to March, I believe, 2008. So right now we're looking at a potential head and shoulders pattern forming with the shoulder here, head here, and shoulder here on the S&P. And right now everyone's looking at this pattern. Everyone is looking at this pattern. So and everyone will be looking to short if it is broken down. So I do think we do have this purple neckline here that I did draw in, and I do think we might actually dip below that purple neckline or come to that purple neckline, and we might see a lot of people go short. And the market may fake everyone out and dip down there, and we might have a potential formation of the shoulder and make it actually a longer shoulder than it is right now currently. Notice how long this shoulder is over here, and this one's nice and short. So if we could get a possible dip below this neckline and then bounce back up to this black trend line, it'd be a nice area to go short again, because then you do have a nice longer formation of a shoulder. You do have the black trend line coming down as resistance, and we do. But the order to get over, in order to get up to this black trend line, we're gonna have to get over the 50 period moving average and the 20 period moving average. So what we could see might just be a little spike through like we did over here, just spike through touch on the day of the 20 period moving average. Notice how we just been chopping around these moving averages the last couple of days. We did have some higher volume here come in on Friday with those numbers, but other than that, it does look like we are going to move lower. It's just a matter of when we're going to break down. And we have two areas we got to break down through. We got to break down this neckline here, and we also have to break down through this 88.20 level here on the SPY in order to give us a nice move lower. Notice how we still have the declining 200-day moving average in here, and that actually might act as some support in the future. So we will be taking a look at that. But what I am looking for tomorrow is I'm looking for a possible dip down to this purple trend line, and then for the coming week would retrace back up here to the black trend line. If you remember trading into 3-day weekend holidays, normally the move that we get the week in the shortened week before the holidays, we normally get the opposite move in the next week in the market. So I am looking to go long in the markets next week, and I would be looking for some possible consolidation if we are going to move lower. But I do think we have a move higher first that we will see. So other than that, traders, that's just what I'm looking at real fast. Come to the site tonight, 10:15 Eastern Standard Time, for a live technical analysis show. I'm gonna go through some charts, look at some setups, and I'm gonna put together the weekend equity basket watch list for you guys. So other than that, that's about it. In order to get to the show, once you get to the site, you'll see the live stream movie come right up on the screen, and just click the play button, and you should see me right there live on the air. Have a good one.